for which the First Lady was being appointed a public office under the county government?
It is not.
It is not. Is that office, was it ever funded by taxpayers' money?
Yes.
It was?
It was funded.
Has that been confirmed from the video by the governor himself that they will draw their support from the Ministry of, is it Education?
Yes.
Thank you. Was that appointment subsequently forwarded to the County Assembly for vetting?
No.
Are you aware if any of the members of that board were ever vetted by the County Assembly?
I'm not aware.
Are you aware of any complaints, proceedings, or even an attempt to impeach the then governor of Meru for appointing a spouse to that office?
I'm not aware.
You're not aware. Was that appointment ever published to the public subsequently?
Yes, it was. I also saw the Gazette notice of the same.
So in that Gazette notice, the governor is appointing the spouse?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Across the other counties, have you also come across similar initiatives by either first ladies or first gentlemen?
Yes.
Spearheading community empowerment programs of their choice?
Yes.
Can you give an instance of such initiatives that you're aware of? And have you brought any evidence, rather has any evidence of that nature been brought to this committee?
Yes.
Where is that evidence contained?
Evidence from page 31.
All the way to page?
All the way to page number 40.
Number 40.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I am sure you've also come across the accusation that the governor has appointed certain people who either do not qualify or without following procedure into public office.
Yes, I'm aware.
Who were those people that are said to have been appointed by the governor?
There is one Munene Samaritan.
One Munene Samaritan.
There is one Enere Muzungu.
Ende Muzungu.
And there is one Ernest Mutembei.
Again, as the chief of staff, are those employees of the county?
No, they are not.
Did you ever seek to confirm their status, the employment status with the county?
Yes, I did.
Can you show this committee where you sought to establish their status?
I wrote letters to the Public Service Board. I wrote, that is in page number 49. I wrote the letter to the Chief Officer, Legal Affairs at the Public Service and Administration, and to the payroll.
All those letters appearing, following each other from page 49 onwards?
Yes.
And what was the response from the County Public Service Board?
They all responded with the attached letters that those are not employees of the county government of Meru and they are not earning any money or any pay from county government of Meru.
That letter is the one contained at page 52 of our bundle, volume 2?
Yes.
And who is the author of that letter?
The author is the CEO of the Public Service Board, by the name Virginia Kawira.
Yesterday, this letter was disputed during cross-examination that indeed Virginia Kawira is not the CEO, County Public Service Board. What comment do you have to make to that respect?
My comment is when you get to the office, we got the person that was the county secretary, CEO of Public Service Board. Her term was ending. She didn't around 2 months, and then thereafter, there is an acting CEO, but on the same strength, the position has been advertised.
That position has been advertised?
Yes.
So Virginia is currently acting?
Yes.
Pending a substantial office holder?
Yes.
Substantive rather, office holder?
Yes.
Do you have any evidence of that advertisement?
Yes.
Where is it contained? As you try to trace it, we will assist you, but let's proceed for the sake of time. So you confirm that indeed Virginia had the capacity to author that letter?
Yes.
Did you also take any steps to confirm if any of those alleged appointees draw any form of remuneration from the county government of Meru?
Yes, I did.
How did you do that?
By a letter to the payroll manager.
What is the date of the letter and where is it contained? Is it the one under page 53? 53?
Yes.
Is it 53 or 54?
It is 54. Yes.
So that is your communication to the payroll master?
Yes.
And what did the payroll master respond to?
Actually, that was the response.
Yes.
That was our response. The payroll master in page 54. My letter was copied actually to him by the chief officer, legal affairs.
Thank you. So you have a response under page 54 confirming that indeed none of those appointees draw any form of remuneration from the Meru County government?
Yes.
Are you also aware if the purported nominees have volunteered to tender any form of evidence in respect to their appointment before this select committee?
Yes, they did.
They did. Is that in the form of the affidavits they have filed before this committee?
Yes.
Thank you. Let's go to the appointment of one Hilary Sunday. Confirm that that is a person working for the county government of Meru?
Yes, he is working.
He's working.
Yes.
When was he appointed and how was he appointed?
He was appointed on 30th of August 2022.
In what position?
The Director of Communications.
The Director of Communications.
Yes.
Before we proceed further, yesterday there was a confusion as to whether his position has now subsequently been advertised. Is that the case?
No.
Which position has been advertised?
The communications officer that are outside the office of the governor.